Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant crashing in mid-game problem. First click here and then type services. Now scroll down until you find Windows Update, double click on it, make sure server status is stopped, and startup type make it disabled, click apply and OK and go back. And after that go to graphics settings, and then you can use this one if you want, so just enable it, and after that you have to restart your computer. And now click browse, and then you have to know where is Riot Games folder so you can find Valorant. Then click on Valorant live shooter game, binaries Win64 and Valorant Win64 shipping. Double click on it, scroll down, you'll find it here, and click options, make sure it's high performance, save it and go back. Now the last thing you have to do is to make sure that Valorant got enough memory, so just click on memory and close all the application that is using your memory, like Google Chrome, Steam, or anything else that you don't need while playing. And so just right click and close all of them, and after that your problem must be fixed. And just do the same with CPU, and I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, see you in the next video.